Hi everyone, I'm Chad Shoop, the editor of Automatic Profits Alert. And today I want to talk about what probably is the greatest concern in the stock market right now, and that's global trade war. Everybody's worried about the potential of trade wars and the impact that tariffs are going to have on global trade. Well, I'm going to give you a stock today that you can follow as an early indicator on if these trade wars are going to be an issue or not. And that stock is Apple, the tech giant known for its iPhone and Apple Watch, is going to be the stock that we follow to figure out if the trade wars are an issue. Now, it's going to be Apple because the company is so reliant right now on international growth, especially with China. Apple, if you look at its most recent quarter, was really only able to beat earnings estimates because of its sales in China. It was able to have explosive growth there, and it was a great opportunity for the company. But, which brings me to my point, Apple is one of the most vulnerable companies to a trade war with China. And maybe that's why CEO Tim Cook met with President Trump the other week to discuss these issues. I'm not sure, but later after that meeting, he came on CNBC and talked about that he was very optimistic about the global trade wars not being an issue as we go forward. That ultimately, whatever comes out as the conclusion between all these major countries like USA, like China, that the ultimate goal is that it's going to benefit both countries, and that Apple, relying heavily on trade between the two countries, is still going to be able to benefit, and that tariffs are not going to be an impact. Well, that's a huge point to look at right now, and it really just came out in the last week or two. So that's important because we're in a stock market correction largely because global trade wars are an issue. You know, if these really pick up and become a bigger problem, then the stocks could roll over and end up going into a bear market because of trade wars. But if the trade wars are subdued and the worries are really overblown, then we can see the stock market really take off here. And over the next several months, we can see a big rally in the stock market. And I don't want you to miss out on that. So to stay ahead of the curve, let's just follow Apple stock. And if that stock can continue to climb after its strong earnings report last week, then I think we got a strong indication that the U.S. economy is still on track, that global trade wars are subdued, and the stock market will continue higher. So that's all for my video today. Just keep an eye on Apple stock. And for more great insights, be sure to subscribe to our page. Until next time, I'm Chad Shoop with Automatic Profits Alert.